Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fine and good. Fourth class, term 1, subject social. Now we will continue our lesson. Our first lesson is life in the mountains. Life in the mountains. We will explain this topic. Now we continue next. We explain this Himalayas, how many Himalayas, greater Himalaya, middle Himalaya and outer Himalaya, and we will explain these outer Himalayas also. Now we will explain importance of the Himalayas. Importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas help us in many ways. Himalayas help us in many ways. How protect us from winds and from water, from plants, from animals. Everything we protect us from Himalayas. Now we see they protect us from the cold winds coming from Central Asia. The cold winds is coming from Central Asia that will protect Himalayas. Himalayas will be high now, so the cold winds will be come. Himalaya will be cover it. They also form a barrier for the monsoon winds. As a result, the monsoon winds cause you rainfall in the mountains and in the foothill region. See here, they are also barriers and monsoon winds. These also cover cool air will become the Himalayas will be protect us from that. Without the Himalayas, much of our country would have been a cold and dry desert. Dry desert means without Himalaya, we cannot cool and dry. Himalaya will protect us from everything, plants and animals and cooled water and cool things. Okay, they from a natural wall which is difficult to cross. Those they guard and protect our northern borders. The Himalayas natural wall, that is like a wall. We will sit in one room, other side water will become the wall will be covered. Example, the sun will be come now. So we will sit in home and our wall will be covered with wall. So the Himalayas also covered with cold winds and rainfall and everything. The Himalayas forest give us valuable wood. Many world animals live in this forest. In Himalayas place, forest give us valuable wood. We will use that wood from doors, windows and tables, chairs. We will use from that wood. Many rivers oriented in the Himalayas, they carry water throughout the year. They flow into the plains of northern India and make the land fertile. Fertile means what? Agriculture. We will eat everything from agriculture. We use water and crops and bullock carts. Okay, next, Korakora Mountains. Korakora Mountain. The Korakora Mountain range leads to the northern west of the Himalayas behind the river Hindus. The Karakoram Mountains range leads to the northern west to the Himalayas behind the river Hindus. Mount Goodwin Astin K2 we can call Karakoram Mountain example K2 lies in this region. It is the second highest peak in the world. K2 is the second highest peak in the world. Purvachal Hill Ranges. Purvachal Hill Ranges. The Purvachal Hills are on the northeastern part of India. They are also called Northeastern Hills. We can call these Purvachal Hills Northeastern Hills. These hills ranges are not very high. These hills are slow and are covered in thick forest. These Purvachal hills covered with thick forest. They include Garo, Kashi, Jantina, Nago and Mizo hills. The Purvachal hills ranges covered with these include names Garo, Kashi, Janti, Nago and Miza hills. I hope you can understand this importance of Himalayas and Karakoram mountains. Our second highest peak in the world is K2 and Purvachal hills is we can call northern eastern hills. Now today your homework is Today your homework is write down 10 vehicles names. Homework one time. Vehicles names. Okay, thank you students.